So hi team everybody. Good morning. See team. In yesterday's session, guys, we completed some DCL, TCL completed, guys, and today we try to discuss about our new topic, that is that is database objects. That is database. Just now we discussed already, guys. Yesterday we started. What's the meaning of database objects? A component registered in system software is called as database objects. These objects are provided by database. That's why system software. The components are registered in system software. That type of objects, what you call DB objects. These are right. Now, we know tables. We know already. Okay. Just only brief discussion about the table. Table is a collection of information stored in rows and columns format. Okay. Maximum 1024 columns are allowed and unlimited records. Alright. Okay. Right, guys. The next one is views, guys. What is the next one? Views. So what is the meaning of view? What is the meaning of view? View also one of the database object, guys, but it is a virtual database object. It is a virtual database object. Logical virtual, that is virtual database object. You know virtual memory. Virtual memory is created runtime now. It is not permanent. Virtual memory is created, runtime it is created at the time of evaluating expressions, arithmetic expressions. Then not only arithmetic expressions, at the time of executing any program, any task code. Then virtual memory is created internally in our operating system. Can you see? No. Same like means virtual memory cannot store in database. Virtual memory cannot store in the system. Runtime it is created. Same like our view also same like. View is one of the database object, but it is a logical database object. Okay. View is one of the virtual database object. Virtual database object. Views are created. How the views are created? Views are created by using select statement of the views are created by using select statement output. Our views are created. I read on select statement, select start from EMP. Okay. Now, so I read on a select statement. The statement returns, suppose I return select start from empty. All employee records are displayed. Okay, select start from empty, select start from DEPT. You can write subquery, join, any type of select statement you can write. What that statement returns output, based on the output, our view is created. That's a views are created by using select statement output. Right, guys? Views are based on base table. Base table means existing tables. Because how to write the select statement? How to write the select statement? Select statement we can write by using based on the database tables only. Those tables are existing tables. Those tables are existing tables. Right. Okay. Fine. So views are doesn't hold any information and it contains only structure. Views are doesn't hold any information, guys. Views are doesn't hold any data. Permanently cannot show the data, guys. But we can see the data. We can see the data from view. But internally, that view nothing hold the data, and it doesn't contain any structure. It contains only structure. Right, guys. But what is the purpose of user? Because data is not stored, but we can see. Yes, we have some purpose is there. What is the advantage? Where can exactly use it? See here. Advantages. By using views to hold multiple tables information into a single view. To hold multiple tables information into a single view. Next one. Views are providing security on database. Views are providing security on database object. It provides. Right, guys. Next one. What are the views we created? All created views are stored in user underscore views. This is a predefined table, system table. Okay. Right. One important point is there. To perform any DML operations on views that are reflected on base tables and vice versa. To perform any DML operations on views, that are reflected on base table and vice versa. Okay, suppose I create one view on employee table. I create view on employee table. I insert one record in employee table. That record you can see in view. Or else you are inserted one record in view that we can see in employee table. That is called vice versa. So to perform any DML operations on views that are reflected on base table and vice versa. Or corresponding base table. Vice versa. Okay, right. Or the syntax. Create or replace view name as challenge. This is a syntax. Create or replace view name is as you can write self statement. So now create or replace view name as self statement. Based on the self statement, your view is created. Okay. What about this replace? Means what you are giving this view name, the view name already existing in database, that is replaced with current one. The view name is not available, it is created. That is called create or replace. If it is not there, created. If it is there, replace. See. But in real time, don't use the replace, guys. You can write create only. Don't replace. Because if any other views are there the same name, then what happens? Overwrite. Okay, na? Right. And also, somebody says that what is the view means. Somebody is saying that it is a shortcut query of self statements. It is a shortcut table of select statements. They are saying yes. That is also one of the point actually, because I write on 20 lines of query. Suppose I write on 20 lines of select statement. The same statement I want to execute different situations. Then what happens? Each and every time we can execute that query. Instead of that, what your 20 lines of self statement query, the total query I can bind with one name. The name is suppose X. The name is X. Okay, X means your total 20 lines of query. Once you select the X, automatically inside this X, what query? That query is executed directly. Okay, guys, that is. So, types of views. One is simple view. Second one is complex view. Simple view, complex view, force view. Simple view, complex view, force view. Next one is read-only views, metadata view, These are the different types of views. Simple views, complex views, force views, readable views, and metadata views. These are. First, discuss about the simple. These views are created by select statement. Select statement contains single table. These views are created by select statement contain single table only. Single table means without join. Two tables means join. Na? That is. To create the views by using the select statement contains only single table. That is called simple views. We can write. C. Create or replace view V1 as a selector star from M. What is the view name? I read my view name is V1 I given. Means your total select query is saved with one name. That name is V1. Okay, guys. Oh, this is self statement, huh? Self stop field. We have some error, insufficient privileges. Okay. Once suppose you got this error in your user, suppose log on to DBA user first of all. System by manager. System by Tiger. No. System by manager over no. Server, right. Yes, exactly. Yes, server. Now we can take the permission first. Grant create view on. Grant create view to for a 7 a.m. Okay, guys. Here, connect to the DBA. Connect to the DBA use. In my system, password is server. Maybe your system. First, take the permissions from DBA user to create views. Okay. Right, guys. Once it is, then so here the DBA work is completed. Then we are exit from the DBA. and come to our regular user. Again, I connect again because just now I got the permission over 7 a.m. by Tiger. Now I connected with the permissions. Observe this, guys. View is created. View created. Select start from tab. Is it V1 is available? Yeah, V1 is available. What is the type? All are tables. This is the view. Okay, right, guys. Now, select start from V1. Same employee table data displays. See, because the V1 can hold one query, select start VMP. That query is executing. So internally, V1 is empty. V1 is it contains empty, sir, no data, empty frame, skeleton, just like a skeleton. So once you try to select star from V1 means this query is executed internally. What select statement returns output? That output is placed into view structure. That's why here it is placed in view structure. Is it view contains any data internally? No. In views, data is coming at runtime. In views, so data is coming at runtime. Data is coming, guys. Runtime only. How it is, sir? Any simple example? If you take one mirror, we know mirror, na? Mirror is one of the object. Once you see the mirror, your face is there. Right or wrong? Your face displays inside the mirror. I put the mirror on table. Is it your face is there? No. Is it mirror can hold the data permanently? Nothing. Same like we also. In the mirror, data is coming at runtime now. Once you see that mirror, then your face is there. Otherwise, mirror nothing contains any data. Here also same like. We also same like. Internally, view nothing contains data. Once you select the view, then it displays the data. Otherwise, nothing. This is the best example to understand views. Okay. Okay, sir. What is the purpose of this view? I discuss one by one, guys. Okay. This is the one of the simple view. This is one of the simple view. Now insert command on simple views. Insert command on simple views. Insert into V1 1002 sum employee name job MGR date of joining salary commission and department. I mentioned data interview. Yes. Check the view. Yes. Check the base table. Yes. Okay. To perform view, insert command and view that are reflected on base table also. Suppose in base table, I delete one record. Yes, the record deleted from view also. Because view contains base table data only. In the base table, what are the modifications? What are the updations are done? All are we can see in view. Yes, exactly. That is. Okay. Right. Yes, Pushpesh, I'll discuss one by one. Just I discuss what is the view, how it is executing, what is the properties of views. Just now, present, I am discussing. After that, where you can use these views. Okay, I will discuss. Okay, simple guys. First, I discuss what is the purpose of this view. First, view provides security and database tables. Views provide security database tables. This is one of the point. First point that now I am discussing. Yesterday's session we completed granting tables. Right or wrong? Your OR is 7 a.m. You grant your table. Grant select on EMP to my user. Right or wrong? How the my user access your table? Select star from OR is 7 a.m. dot EMP. Right or wrong? This is yesterday's session we discussed. Right, guys? Now, my user can access your table OR is 7 a.m. dot EMP. Means my user can know your username as well as table name also. He know your original table name, right or wrong? Here is there any security? No security. Because your username everybody knows once you grant the table. But I want to provide the security on this EMP table. I want to provide the security. To provide the security in ORA 7 AM, I create one view. Create view V1 as select star from EMP. Okay, guys. I create one view on employee table. At the time of granting, what I am granting? I am granting V1 only. What he can access? V1 he can access. Is it private security or not? Your original table is different. Your original table is available, EMP is available. But I create one dummy name I created on my employee table. The dummy name is V1. Now everyone can access V1, V1, V1 only. They don't know my original table name. Here the security provides some table names. Right or wrong? Suppose my user select star from ORA 7am.b1. What he can access? This query is executing internally and he can see the output. But the security is provided. No. Alias is the temporary name. Alias is a temporary name. The alias is working on in that query only. Guys, alias is different. This is different. Alias is the temporary name that alias is working on that query only. When the query is executed, aliases are destroyed. Okay. Yes. Now understand what is the purpose of view? Right. So insert command is complete. Next one is second one is views created using aliases. Create or replace view. View name is V2 is a view name. As select employee number, E name, job as designation, salary as basic salary, DEPT end. from EMP array. Means here I'm using aliases. Which aliases? Column aliases I'm using. Designation job inside this V2, employee number, employee name, okay, I want to store same like only, but job I want to store as designation. Salary I want to store as basic salary. But why are giving these double quotes? We know already. If any time alias contains more than one word, that alias should be in double quotes. View created, guys. Select star from V2. See basic salary, designation. Okay, guys. See, describe V2. This is for reporting purpose, guys. For reporting purpose. In the reporting purpose, I want to store column name as basic salary. Yes, we can create the view at the time of creating the corresponding columns. You can set alias names. Then your view is created by using that aliases. Okay. Right. But if you want to select, how to select? Select employee number, designation, DESIG designation. How to select basic salary? Here, once view is created, okay, it is created good, but selecting also important, guys. Here we got error, numerically correct. But basic salary, na? Yes, basic salary. Designation DESIG as a given, but basic salary you should be give double quotes. Selecting also important, guys. Now we can see. Okay, this is one of the example. After created view by using aliases, how we can select? By using in this method, you can select. So the next one. We check option. We check option class. What is meaning of with check option? If inserting data satisfies view condition, then record inserted into view and base table. Otherwise, it returns. If inserting data satisfies view condition, then record inserted into view and base table. Otherwise, it returns error message. That is. Okay, what is meaning of this statement, guys? See an example. Create a replace view. V3 is a view name as select employee number, employee name, job, salary, DEPT NO from EMP where DEPT NO equal to 10. So my view is created. Depart number 10, sir. Means who are working in 10th department, then my view is created, guys. Select start from V3. This is also one of the example to understand. Inside the view, data is coming at runtime. How it is? At the time of selecting this V3, internally this statement is executing. From base table, only 10th department employees are fetching. Okay, right. Now I try to perform some insert command. Insert into V3. Values of 1003. Employee name. Some employee name. Designation. Manager. Salary 6,000, department number 20 guys. What I'm giving? 20. Where is insert data? V3 na? But V3 views created department number 10. Right now I'm inserting 20. Is the record inserted? Yes. Where? Is it available here? No. Where it is? Employee table guys. Observe this. Yeah. Actually, your insert data not satisfied view condition, but record inserted. But where it is inserted? Base table. Means what are the operations you are performing on view internally that is applied on corresponding base table only. The record inserted the base table. This is. But I want to restrict this insert command, guys. Because my view is created with the department number 10, but I'm inserting 20. I want to restrict this. Whenever I'm inserting 10 only, then I want to accept. Otherwise, no need to accept. In this scenario, which check option is supported? Okay. Which check option? Right. Not here. Oh. In above insert command on view on V3 accepted. Accepted. To restrict the insert command. Then to use with check option clause. Right, guys. See example with check option. Same example, guys. No need to do anything. I create the view now. Lastly, we write down with the check option. With the check option. Now here I'm inserting data. Insert into 1004. Some employee name. Manager. 40,000 salary. Department number 20, suppose. Here we got error. Which check option? Where clause is valid. Previously accepted 20 now. Now it is not accepting. Only 10 is accepting. Only 10 is accepting. Yes. This is a with check option where clause. With check option where clause. Right. Next, second type of view is complex views. Before the second type view is read-only views, first we can discuss. Read-only views. Read-only views. These views are only for reading purpose. Reading purpose. On read-only views, DML commands are not supported. Only select and display commands are valid. This is also one of the security. This is also one of the security, guys. Because I grant my view to somebody. If they are trying to insert data, if they are update the data, if they are deleting the data, not accepting. There is security. Only select permission I want to. Then we must create read-only views. See an example. Create or replace view read underscore view as select start from EMP with read only. Lastly, we can add with read only option. Observe this view created. So select start from read underscore view. Update read underscore view. That salary equal to salary plus 1,000 rupees. Cannot perform DML operations on read-only views. Cannot perform. This is. Cannot perform DML operations. We got that. It is also one of the security, guys. Okay. Next, third type of view is complex views. Complex views means these views are created. These views are created by select statement contains join conditions, arithmetic expressions, group by class, etc. These views are created by select statement contains join conditions, arithmetic expressions, group by class, etc. That is. Okay. Right. Now on complex views, the DML operations are not supported. Only select and describe commands are valid. Okay. So if you want to create the view by using more than one table, guys, the type of views what you called complex views we can call. So on complex views, DMLs are not supported. Okay. So an example, create or replace view EMP This is the view name as select employee number, name, job, salary, emp.dept and D name, location from EMP, comma, DEP. Where emp.dept and we put DEP. Guys, this is a equi-join. The last sessions we completed, guys. This is the equi-join. Okay. So I create one view. That view contains employee table information, department table information also. That is. Yes, view is created. Select start from EMP DEPT. I write down. Select start from EMP DEPT. I write down. Now this view contains two tables information, right? Two tables information. Yes. This is called to hold multiple tables information into single table. Right or wrong? Right, guys. I try to perform insert command. Okay. Job. Clerk. 5,000. Department number 10. Okay. Accounting department. Accounting department. New York. Right or wrong? Right? I insert data into this view. Employee number, employee name, job, salary, department number. Okay. Cannot modify column which maps to non-key preserved. This is. This is. This is the example, guys. Okay. Right. So this is the one example, guys. Right, guys. So where you can use this complex views, guys? The best example to understand. You know that share market. You know that You know that share market. In the share market prices are means companies and corresponding companies prices are scrolling. No? If you take CNTV, something is there. Okay, na? So once you watch the TV now, the bottom side share companies share market prices are scrolling. That is one of the view. That is a complex view. Means each and every company contains its own tables. In own tables, it's their own tables. The share price increase or decrease. But on the TV scrolling now, we can see all company share prices. That is one of the join. Means they write down one join query. The join query contains all tables, all companies share prices they're selecting. Right or wrong? Right. So inside that companies, when the share price is changed, automatically that share price reflected on this view. Yes. Just now we discussed na. To do any operations on base table, automatically you can see in view na. Yes. Here also same like. Means individual companies when the share prices are changed, automatically we can see that operations on that view we can see. That's why observe that scrolling, you can observe clearly after 5 seconds or 10 seconds, it is jerking comes. It jerk the that scrolling means updated, refreshed, just like refreshed. Refreshed means the view is executed internally. Means the view is executed every 10 seconds or every 15 seconds. They give some time. Automatically every 15 seconds the view is executed every 15 seconds. Automatically the fresh data is taken from corresponding base tables. Same like. Okay, suppose here a delete command on base table. Where employee number equal to 1003. Record deleted. So we can see that view. Is it available? Yes, not available. Yes, it is not available. On base table we can perform DMS, but on view we cannot perform. Okay, guys. That is. Right, guys. This is the complex used to hold the multiple table information to single table. That is also one of the security. Because each and every time, if you want to execute this query each and every time, suppose I'm not writing this query, simply I'm calling this name. Automatically, internally, this query is executing. This is another shortcut of your query, na? The shortcut name of query. View is the shortcut name of query. Yes. Yes. Right. So this is a simple use, complete use. Fourth one is force use. Here, how the views are created, guys? Generally, views are created based on the base table. Okay, na? But force views are not like guys. Force views are not like. These views are created. Force views are created. Force views are created without having any base table. Without having any base table. Force views are created without having any base table. without having any base stage. Force views are activated. Force views are activated. Force views are activated whenever base table is created. Force views are activated whenever base table is created. That is. Okay, guys. Right. How it is, we'll discuss practically one by one, guys. Okay, with examples. Coming session, we'll discuss this. Okay. Right. So any doubts in today's session, guys? Any doubts? In real time, the views use it for security purpose, and also just now what I discussed the share market. That is okay. Fine. Right. Okay. Thank you, Pushpesh. Thank you very much.
Recording stopped.